What's going on, Julian?
The world's punishment for bursting your
John wouldn't do that.
back on the outside of this room. The energy break that I was working on just came to fruition. All of these years, John was helping me replicate this power, unaware of how I plan to use it. You see,
Are you gonna burp or what?
the comedian was right.
You wanna play games
My
instead?
savage nature will lead to glory.
Hi.
So in order to save this planet, I have to trick it. The greatest evil job in human history.
Killing millions.
To save Billy. Necessary for it.
We can't let you do that.
Do the hand motion? Not a comic book villain.
Nothing?
You seriously think I'd explain my master strokes if there was the slightest possibility of it? I should have done it 5 minutes ago.
He's concentrating on something.